Hi guys, hi. I'd like to welcome you all to my channel, guys. My name is Maru. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I've got an unboxing for you today. Something really very basic. I'm so excited, but it's so basic. I've been waiting for it to arrive for some time now. So I'm gonna share with you what's in this little box, and then we're gonna make breakfast using whatever is in here. A very simple and easy breakfast that you can just pick up, and it's very convenient, especially when you're on a weight loss journey. It keeps you full, it's full of fiber, and it's just awesome. So let's get into opening this. Remember to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and yes, let's get into it while we talk about what has been going on. It's opening! Guys, how have you been? Guys, my life, it's just been the drama, okay? There's been a lot that has been going on, but I am okay. And I'm not gonna lie, it's been a struggle, okay? To some extent, I've been struggling a lot with, especially having to like film and stuff like that. There is, hey, being a mom is demanding. Being a mom, especially now to two, it's very demanding. So I just told myself I'm gonna film when I can film and share what I'll be doing with you when I can. I'm trying to be as consistent as possible. Hopefully in the near future the consistency will be at par, but it does not mean I'm not consistent with the way that I am eating, with the working out. I'm still consistent with that. It's just that other things, it takes over. I don't know how you other mamas do it out there, okay? I salute you. I salute you. It's not easy trying to balance everything, trying to be healthy, having to raise kids, being a wife, making sure the house is okay. All that, it takes a lot of time. So filming takes time too, and editing on the other hand takes a lot of time, and I don't have confidence to get on live all the time, so I wish I did though. Anyway, it's all good, guys. Look at what I got. Look at what I got. Okay, these guys are wonderful and beautiful chia seeds. Can you guys see? Have you ever tried these before? These are really awesome. I don't know what brand this is, but I just got them off of an online store. And I used them before while I was on my weight loss journey, and I had a few of them that I was still using, but I just didn't have a chance to film it. So I just wanted to share with you my absolute favorite breakfast ideas for these. That's so easy and really fast to make. Yes, and then they give you a little spoon. And it's so tiny. What else is in here? Guys, let me know how you've been doing in the comment section. Comment down below. Are you like on your fitness goal? Are you doing the things that you're supposed to be doing for yourself? Has it been stalling for whatever reason? Let me know down in the comments. Oh, okay. It's just more. I think it's a health store. I don't know. But I am seeing that they have even more stuff there. Maybe I'm gonna check them out. Interesting. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section how you guys are doing and how you've been. So let's make breakfast. So all you need is a big bowl. I'm gonna be using this bowl, and I'm gonna be using almond milk. All right, I really love this almond milk. It tastes good. You can use oatmeal, you can use whatever kind of milk you want to use. And then I got this for myself yesterday. I'm gonna be using these bowls to store it in the fridge. This needs to go in the fridge for it to turn out the way that it's supposed to turn out. So I'm just gonna make the mixture in here and then transfer it into here. Okay, I've got these two bowls. So this is my breakfast choice for this week. I'm going to be making 3 of these. And then I'm just gonna pick it up from the fridge and go. And then I'm gonna make 2 more as soon as the containers are done. I need to get more of these glass containers because I just decided to get 3. But I think having 5 is better because sometimes I also do like my overnight oatmeal, and I'll show you guys that in another video. But yes, breakfast for the week, it's down and it's gonna be ready in just a few minutes. I don't know about you, but meal prepping is very important. It saves a lot of time, especially if you're a busy mom or a busy individual, because I don't know if only moms are watching this, but if you are busy, it just saves a lot of time. You just pop it in the fridge and then you take it out. You don't have to have it warm. You can still have it cold with whatever toppings you want to have. So it's very convenient. All right, so for consistency that I actually like, it's 4 tablespoons of chia seeds and then just 1 cup of milk. So since I'm making a larger amount, I think I will use 2 cups of milk. Ooh, oh wow. That looks so nice, guys, look. There, oh my gosh. What's that? Okay. So you just do like smooth. Just put it in there. Actually, maybe let me just use 3. So then you take your milk, mix it in there. Okay, and you take a little mixer. Make sure that it's all mixed up. Okay, at this point, for some people, they will add some honey or whatever sweetener that they prefer. For me personally, I don't add any of this because I think it's sweet already, because this is a vanilla flavored almond milk. So I feel like the sweetness from this is perfect. It's enough. I don't need to do anything. So I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I'm going to stir it again, and then I'm going to pour it into the containers. All right, so now my container's ready. It's already thickened. It's already starting to thicken up. I'm just gonna mix it up one more time. Then I'm gonna take my little scooper. Just put that in there. Like that. This is really good, guys. You should try it out. Right, there we go. Actually, they fit perfectly into these containers. You can just take this container and then pop it into the fridge. You can keep it there for an hour. You can keep it overnight. It's all up to you. So I'm just gonna pop, oops. I'm gonna pop this into the fridge and then I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. Then I'll come back and show you the end result.
They're friendly.
Say hi. Then are you scared? Huh?
Are you scared?
No? Say hi. Can he pet them?
Mm-hmm.
Say hi. Say hi.
Sit, boy. Sit. You know how to sit.
Sit.
Daily activity target reached 1750, 300 kilocalories, 30 minutes, 8 hours. Good job staying active today.
Oh, I've been walking. I've been doing my best to walk as much as I can. But honestly, right now I'm not even wearing my watch since, I don't know, I think yesterday, the day before. Yeah. But I've been walking. Before that, I was very, very diligent with it. I want to do more walking. Many people have said that if you just walk, the weight will drop. So I'm trying to do a lot of walking. Okay.
It's a video.
So guys, it's been a few minutes. Look, the consistency has changed. It turns into like a pudding type, all right? And it's it looks so good. So you can top this with whatever you want to top it with. I'm going to be topping it with some kiwis and bananas. So a little banana piece. If you want to put it in the microwave for a little bit, that works too. You can choose if you want it cold or warm. If you don't want to mix the fruits, that's okay too. You can, yeah, that's enough. Yay, ta-da. If you'd like to mix up your fruit, that's okay. You just have a little bit of fruit every single day, and fruit of your choice. Berries are very good while you're on a weight loss journey, while bananas too. I guess fruit is good, okay, to each his own. But Sidi, come taste. I swear, come taste. Oh, have you ever had chia seeds before? Wait a minute. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna mix. Let me just do.
That's nice.
It's nice, no? It's nice, and the kiwis give it even that extra sweetness. You don't need to add any extra sweetness to this. The kiwis and the bananas do enough of a good job. So guys, yeah, you should try it out, really. I just wanted to share this with you guys today. I hope you try out this. It's very simple, healthy breakfast option. It's so simple. Okay, it literally just takes a few minutes of your time. So guys, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button if you found some value in this video. I appreciate that you're here. I appreciate that you're watching this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Wow.
Everyone?